Hey everybody, it's Shanna P. Today I did a look inspired by KYARY PAMYU. This was requested by some of my Japanese friends. Konnichiwa, konbanwa, o genki desu ka? If you'd like to see how it transformed into KYARY PAMYU,
wait for the music video at the end.
Go ahead and watch this video. If you enjoyed my makeup transformation, don't hesitate to subscribe. Maybe right here to see more. You can also give me a thumbs up so I would know that I'm doing good. If you'd like to see more KYARY PAMYU looks, or you have any requests or questions, don't hesitate to write them down below. And I'll see you next time. Mata ne!